macro market trends, stock selection, ETFs, options. Just some of the topics covered in Cook's Kitchen.
Can he do 4 charts in 4 minutes? Let's find out. Let's get right to it. First up, I want to show you the spiders for the past month, and the thing that has bothered me most, is this price action, the bounce off of 1560. These are all candles with, we've got low volume. Here's the declining volume, and nice ranges, but then just these narrow, small bodies that basically look like dojis all the way up. And that's what had me cautious the week of 4th of July. I said, let's just, I wanted to get out of the water until the coast was clear. Obviously, the coast became clear. We've rallied here nicely, but still the same thing. These dojis with, low volume, small bodies, indicative of indecision. And, but still the market is so tough. What's interesting is, look where we are. We're back up to this resistance right before the last FOMC meeting, June 18th and 19th. Now today, this afternoon, we're going to get the minutes for this meeting that we sold off of. And, good news here. Here's your 50-day and 100-day moving averages, my equivalent of the 10 and 20 week. Those are still trending higher, sloping higher, nice distance between them. That's positive for the market. Let's look at some internal structure of the market. I often show you the NIMO, McClellan oscillator, or the McClellan summation index. And these are oscillators created from NICE advanced decline statistics, and they're indicative of accumulation and distribution. So here is, I believe I got a 2-year up here, so I can show you all the way back into the summer of 2011 what happened to the summation index. And remember, this is smoothing out the McClellan oscillator, which is smoothing out advanced decline statistics. So here we've got this, we had this little dip, not much of a correction, 7% at the most, and we're turning back up. Let me show you another view of it. This is a trader associate of mine who is looking at the summation index on a weekly basis. So this is a weekly chart, and he's thrown over a stochastic oscillator to show, overbought and oversold here. So here's his overbought line up here at 80 on the summation index, and oversold down here at 20. He doesn't go back to 2011, but we can compare to the corrections in the summer of 2012 and then again in the fall of 2012. What the summation index did, how it bottomed, and the resulting rally. So he's looking at a bullish cross here. Same thing I was looking at on the previous chart. Some positive action there in advanced decline statistics. All right. Last up, I want to show you my probability map. I call it scenarios and probabilities, where I'm just looking at potential price ranges and the probability of making new highs or new lows in a given 3 to 4 week period and what that would take. Now this is this is the same thing that guys are doing with charts all the time. So this is just, I'm taking my chart and turning it into probabilities for given scenarios over a 3 to 4 week period. So I had to revise this from late June based on the bullish structure of the market. Getting through 1620.35 made, increase the chances for a rally to sustain above 1600. And so here's how I've made the adjustments. We're sitting here at 1652 this morning, closed there yesterday, and I see there's a 25% chance that we could rally strongly above 1660 and really go bear hunting. The more likely scenario, though, is that we just stay within this range, 1600 to 1650, for the rest of July, and that's a 50-50 chance. What about breaking down? 15% chance of taking out 1575, and then a 10% chance of a full correction. And again, this is just for the remainder of July. So, this is very subjective, but it's my map that helps me think, and it's just a decision-making tool, because if you put it down on paper and then you trade around it, weight your positions, in other words, weight your bets according to that plan, and then reference it again when things get hot, you kind of know where you stand. And obviously you can adjust the map at any time. All right, hopefully I got that all in 4 minutes. We'll see. And yes, I do need a haircut, so don't write me in about that. All right, Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching Cook's Kitchen.